Good morning, everybody. Patrick Blake, your market analyst from FIDEM Trade. Today is Wednesday, 2 days before the non-farm payroll. Everybody knows about that. All traders, they've been with us for quite some time. They already know this. For the new ones, this is a heads up for you. Today, we're going to take a look at the news, the reports, so we'll understand the market conditions, so we can know what to focus on. Let's start from the AUD. We have the GDP, gross domestic products, that is released quarterly about 65 days after the quarter ends. And it's the broadest measure of economic activity and the primary gauge of economy's health. That is the first one. Then second, we have to go to the GBP, the Great British Pound, the Sterling. We have the construction PMI. Above 50.0 indicates industry expansions, below indicates contractions. It's a leading indicator of economic health as business react quickly to market conditions. Now, let's head to the USA. We have today the ADP, non-farm employment change. What is the ADP? That is not the non-farm payroll, but the ADP is the automatic data processing. This data provides an early look at employment growth, usually 2 days ahead of the government released employment data. That is designed to mimic, okay? So that basically this is the ADP that is just released or will be released today, and that is exactly 2 days ahead of Friday, which is the big day for us, the non-farm payroll. So let's take a look at that, because that usually gives us a very good outlook on what is coming up, okay? Now, and again, why is the employment change is very important, or it's a leading indicator, as the job creation is an important leading indicator of consumer spending, okay, which accounts for a majority overall economic activity. You have a job, you will get a salary, you will have money, you will be able to spend. Now the economy is strong. You see how it works? If you don't, then you don't have money, nothing happens in the market. You don't have the power to do anything. So that's why money is power, okay? Employment gets you that power. Now, second, we have the Fed Chair Yellen Janet. We all know that she is the head of the central bank, which controls the short-term interest rates, and she has more influence over the nation's currency value than any other person. Dropping clues about the future monetary policy and what's going to happen with the interest rates in the future, and a lot of expectations that the interest rates will be raised on December, sometime in December. If not, then we're going to have to wait a couple more months. Now we have to go to the CAD, the Canadian dollar. We have the Bank of Canada rate statement, and it's the primary tool that the Bank of Canada uses to communicate with investors about monetary policy. Usually investors are taking a look about the interest rates. The monetary policy is very important for each and every investor to look at. Investors will invest in the economy that gets it very strong economy. There is no investing, nothing is happening. Again, the last but not least, we have the overnight rate, which Bank of Canada governing council members come to a consensus on where to set the rate. This is exactly when they're going to tell us where the rate or where the interest rates are going to be set, so you will understand and you have all the clues to understand where the interest rates are heading, or what is the decision that was made. For now, that will be it for Wednesday. Tomorrow, I will see you again. Tomorrow we'll have 2 scenarios that I will explain as a trading plan for the non-farm payroll. Till then, have a great day. Patrick Blake, see you tomorrow.